N20K. Welcome again. And this is another video, brand new video talking about how you can earn 20,000 naira daily. Is it possible? Very possible. So, guys, if you are new to this channel, I'm Michael. You can just subscribe to this channel, bell icon to get notified when I drop a new video, and the link to get on board is going to be in the description of this video. As I speak, sorry, I'm just early hours in the morning. And you can get on board and start earning in USDT daily. I guarantee you that with a token. And we're talking about how you can actually make this possible with your $1,000 USDT. It's about 600,000 naira now in naira as I'm doing this video. So let me walk you guys through the procedures, how to earn $32 daily, approximately 20,000 naira in naira, earn 3.2% in world OTC, 8 round a day with a minimum of 32%, 3.2% daily. Double your capital in just 23 days. I'm telling you. So what you are doing is risky, I know, but I'm guaranteeing you that you can double your capital in 23 days. The max profit per month is 150%, 157.2. I'm going to show you that in a month. If you are using this calculator, I have a calculator I'm going to use, guys. The minimum investment is $10. Maximum withdrawal is just $5. Team earnings, great. First level 15%. You're going to earn first level from your team. If you are a networker, you are getting this 15%. First, second level 10%. Third level 5%. Now, to get registered, the link is going to be in the description of this video. Do not quit now. You can never give up. You can never be poor if you keep trying new opportunity, if you keep trying new things. So I'm going to walk you guys through, and I'm going to explain that for you. Now, this is their golden rule. You need to understand this golden rule before any other things. So this is their golden rule. If you register, you can download the app for yourself. In terms of use, we buy USDT. Never use a wallet address that does not belong to you. Please use your own wallet address. Please do not send USDT to a scammer, suspected scammer. When you agree to our terms of use, you also agree to our personal information collection statement and private policy and all of that. We do not provide services, equipment, and do not harm or other matters to personal under a person under the age of 18. So if you are under 18, you are not eligible to do this, and that is just it. And the age of 18 and users will web. You can also contact us by contacting the person assuming customer of your and all of that. So that's just their rule. Now, World OTC is a US MSB certificate cryptocurrency over-the-counter exchange. It provided a trading platform for users, USDT and global currency, providing users with transaction accuracy and convenience, entering the amount of virtual currency you want to buy. The income is settled between 3 hours. So every 3 hours you have your money returned back to your profit will be 0.4% of your investment amount. So every 3 hours you do that statement up to 8 times 24 hours a day. The guest income is 2. So you need to set your alarm to get these 22 hours a day. Double your capital, like I said there, in 23 days fast, and maximum profit in a month is 1.572 times. So you see now, you see that you can see here that here they have $10 account, they have $10 account, they have $20 account, $30, $40, $50. But I'm talking about $1,000 investors, those who are ready to make $1,000, who are ready to invest $1,000. What are they going to earn? Complete the first round, you get $4. Second round, like that. Then the 8th round of the day, what are you going to get? You get $32. So if you complete the 8th round in a day, you are making approximately $32 in a day. That is equals to 20,000 naira. That is just how to make your money in a day. And 20,000 times 23 days of the week in a month, you know how much is it in naira. And I'm not going to lie to you. Now let's work. Okay, this is deposit rules. Binding your TRC20 address to withdraw funds 24 hours to 4 hours a day, and withdrawal fee is just 30%. Withdrawal time arrives in 1 minute. Note, each TRC address can only be bond one investment account, so you cannot do double. You have Binance, you have other, just pick one and bound it using your Binance or wallet. The minimum investment amount is $11. As those are sending from Binance, you can only send. So Binance charges is $1 for sending any TRC20. You know that your friend makes money by investing, and you can earn commission income. Direct invitee gets 50%. Like I said before, you get that. So that is it. So 3 hours profit of 0.40%. So you see the math here. This is their own math. Now, $1,000. Okay, this is $1,000. So $1,000 times 0.04% is $4. So if you do that another one, so for daily, you see they even have it here. Their own calculator here. You see, for daily here, this is their daily calculator, and this is their monthly calculator. This is their hourly calculator. So for daily, you are getting $32, and for monthly, you are getting extra $1,572. So if you do that by what you have in your calculator, so let me go to let me go to my calculator now. This is my own calculator, and you can see what you have at the end of the month. So if for instance, let's see, you do $1,000 for $1,000 interested persons, 3.2 1 month. Okay, and we go down and do our calculation here. So for 1 month, what you are going to see here is this. Now for 1 month, this is what you get here from my calculator here. Your intending capital will be 1,000 naira, and the total investment value will be 2,655. So what you are going to get in return will be, because you're not making withdrawals, whatever you earn today, you put it by to go in for the next 23 days. So this is what you earn for 30 days. But you break even in 23 days. That is just it. But in 30 days, that's my calculation here, 30 days, you are having 1,665. But that one they showed you there is their own calculation. But I guarantee you that you're going to earn more than that in 30 days. So if the month that is 31 days, you can see what you are seeing here. September here, 31 days, this is what you get, and this is what you go home. So if you do it today now, that is 15th of this month, this is the breakdown. You can see the breakdown, earnings breakdown. So by the end of the month, you are guaranteed of 2,655 USDT. So that is just it, guys, on COTP, and how you can actually make 20,000 naira daily. This platform, for me, it is legit, and it's paying. So as long as it's paying, for me, it's legit. So otherwise, do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor, like I always say. Invest what you know you can afford to lose. But this is for those who can risk $1,000. Who knows that yes, in 23 days, that is your heart, you can take away your money. And I'm guaranteeing you this program is going to stay for a while. I'm telling you the truth, it's going to stay, because more people are coming up every day on board, and platforms like this will sustain for a while. Give yourself 90 days challenge. I'm going to do a video on 90 days challenge. If you can risk for 90 days challenge from $100 above, know what you can earn in 90 days. I'm going to do the video, and I'm going to enlighten you guys what you need to do. your strategy plan for 90 days. If you are new to this channel, thank you for watching, and we will welcome you as our most valuable team member. And if you are an old subscriber, you are the most valuable, most VIP here. The bell icon is a helpful one, and we thank you for making use of it. See you in the next video. Bye.